Hello again. This is just a follow-up from video 1 on lead magnets, opt-in pages, landing pages, whatever your preference, or if you've never heard of them, they've been called all three, just showing you the value or why it's so important and starting an online business to have an email list. And the easiest way is to use lead magnets like this. So as we shared in video 1, if you haven't seen that, this part 2 will make a lot more sense if you look at and watch video 1. So what we're going to do is, like we said, we actually we filled out all this, right? We got somebody to give us their name and their email. And as always, the most important thing is the email, because that is where the money is. As I've said many times, money is in the list. And just to give you an example from the first video, professional email marketers will tell you that they can make anywhere from $20 to $40 per person a year on their list. I think it's probably, if you build the right list and everything, $30, but let's just say $20. Do you realize that if you had 500 people on your list, on an email list that you've taken the time to build and build the right way, that works out to about $10,000 a year? What is $10,000 to you a year? That could easily be a mortgage payment a few times, car payments, student loans, maybe pay off your credit cards, whatever. What about 1,000? If you got 1,000 people on your list at $20 a year, that's $20,000. Now, 1,000 seems like a lot. Well, what about 5,000? Well, I can never get a 5,000 people on my email list. Well, if you took a year to do that, that would be worth $100,000 to you a year. Now, you might think, well, 5,000 seems like a big list. Well, I know people that have 2, 3, 400,000, 500,000 lists. I actually know a gentleman that has a list that's over 2 million and growing every day. How hard do you think he has to work to maintain that list? Once a day, he can sit down at his computer and write an email in a matter of 20 minutes to send it out to 2 million people. And put an offer behind that email, and he's probably taking money to the bank every single day. So again, the most important thing is you have to have a lead magnet. You have to have something to offer to get those people to join your list. So as I said, we've actually filled out everything here. Click on the button and we get to say, thank you, you will receive an email from us soon. So what does that mean? Well, let's take a look. I've set up a false list or a list just to show you the steps. So first thing I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to show you my Aweber. I'm going to just actually refresh that. And boom, now you can see that this list, the form we just filled out, is now here and it's pending. So what does that mean? Well, now if you go to my email box, there you go. Richard Cashel, respond required. So every email provider expects you to at least offer a confirmation. So people actually, in order to get your emails, they agree. It's a verbal contract. There's a written contract that says, I would like to receive emails from this person. So this really is all it is. It's just, confirm my subscription. And almost everybody that have gone this far, they'll always just do that. And now you look and you go back to your subscriber. Now they're no longer pending. If I refresh that, you're going to see they have now joined my list. It is really just that simple. And the messages, you add whatever you want. You can write your own emails. You can find a provider to help you write them. If you're doing affiliate offers, which is probably the best way to start building an online business, if you go into ClickBank and you find a couple of affiliate offers, they always have follow-up emails for their offer. So it's as easy as copy and pasting those into your autoresponder. An autoresponder is what I have right here, Aweber. It is my choice. It's just My preference, I've used it for lots, almost all my life. I've used a few others, but this to me is always the easiest one. So again, it's really that simple. You know, you just get, somebody to give you their information. Always their email, the most important. A name is always good because then you can refer to them on a first name basis. Once they do that, and if you offer something of value, don't give a $1 ebook that you found on the internet and think that you're going to get a list. If you build your list the right way from the bottom up, if you offer value from the get-go and these people join, and let's say you have a really good affiliate offer following this up in your offer in your landing page, and then you attach an affiliate offer. I mean, the money takes a while to generate, but this is a long-term plan and a long-term business. If you build it right from the get-go. So offer something of value right from the get-go. And once you start doing that, you can see, like, I mean, it didn't take much to get to this place where, I got my first subscriber. Now it happens to be me, but it could be anybody. And as you build and grow your email list, the money really is always in the list. I could easily add to this list, probably, if I really wanted to build this. I have other lists that I work on a continuous basis, but I could probably build this list up to 500 to 1,000, and probably by the end of the year. And, that might be a challenge. I might actually see how quick I can build a list, and we'll just keep track of that. So that's pretty well it for this video. It's a little shorter than the other one, but I just want to just show you that it really isn't overcomplicated. When you start getting involved in lead magnets and autoresponders and everything, the lingo can be a little bit confusing, but in all reality, it is fairly simple to set up. And again, that's all part of our group, and we're here to help people learn. And I'm not the most techie guy, but I have some people in my tool belt, so to speak, that helps a lot. And there's not too many things that I can't figure out. So if you're getting kind of stuck, or you're overwhelmed, or you're not sure what this is all about, drop me a comment and we'll respond back to you. And hopefully this helps you, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.